Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can actually buy your core coins, right? So I'm on Bybit right now. Okay, from Bybit I want to see if I can like buy my coins. But before then I need to convert my USDC, okay, which I have now, to core. All right, so I'm going to go to spot, and then I'm going to go to easy buy up here. You can see up here, right? Click on easy buy, and then when that pop up, right, you're going to change this BTC here. Okay, we're going to change BTC to core. All right, let's search for core. All right, that's core. All right, and then here you're going to change USDT here to BTC. So USDC rather. You see, I have to change here. You see this place, right? I changed that to USDC because my money is in USDC. Is that clear? So I'm going to move like 10 USDC. Okay, obviously I have up to, you can see here I have 20 USDC right now. So you can see funding account. All right, you can see that, right? If I go to unified trading account, it will change. Okay, that is unified trading account, and I have nothing in my unified trading account. So what I have is my funding account, okay, which is 20 USDC. So I'm going to buy 10 USDC now. Okay, 10 USDC. I want to move 10 USDC to core. Exactly, you can see core, right? So I'm going to click on buy core. Is it clear? And then let's see what comes out of it. So I'm going to click on buy core, and then when I click on buy core here, I'm going to see the price. You can see that the price for that is 1.04 USDC. Then investment amount is 10 USDC. The receive, I'm going to receive 9.571 core. You can see that to funding account. Okay, so I'm going to click on that buy core now. Okay, so I'm buying now. Okay, you can see core is successful up there, right? You're going to see successful here, right? So that's what I've gotten. So now I've gotten my 10 9 USD core, right? I'm going to go to asset now. I'll go to asset and refresh this. Okay, when I refresh that, okay, obviously I'm going to go to withdraw. Okay, if I go to withdraw, I'll go to withdraw, and then when this pop up, I'll go to core. If core is not available, they just search for core, right? Okay, so this is my core right now. You can see core, right? So if I want to move this this money right now, you can see I have here 9.57 core. You can see that the amount of core I have here is, you can see that funding account. You can see that. So if I want to move this money to another wallet, okay, let's say like token pocket. Okay, what I will do is I'll put the address here, look for the network I'm using, right, and then I'm good to go. Is that okay? All right guys, now I'm on token pocket, right, and this is token pocket as it is, right? So I'm going to click on the core, click on core, then going to click on what, receive. Okay, click on receive. When you click on receive, you're going to see the address, the wallet address you want to use. Copy it. All right, confirm. You have copied it, then you're going to go back to Bybit as it is, and then you click on what, input address. Okay, hold and paste it here. All right, paste it there, then pick the network you want to use. We are going for what, core. That core has entered there, right? So what we'll do now is we're going to come over here and then look for the amount we want to send. So if you have to send everything, click on maximum. All right, when you click on maximum, okay, everything you're going to go to that particular address you are sending it to. All right, so core is a network on its own. Okay, so you can see core Daho, right? This is what we're sending money to. So when we do that, click on what, withdraw. Okay, so we're sending this money right now to token pocket, right? Okay, so make sure you confirm. They want you to make sure that everything is in order. You can see that the on-chain withdrawal call, withdraw to what, this address you sent, the amount to receive. Okay, this amount will go to receive. Now you have to make sure you confirm to make sure you are sending to the right address. Okay, so when that is done, I click what, no verification needed for this address next time. No, I don't need to do that. I will need to confirm all the time. So I click on confirm, right? Then when I click on confirm, send the verification code to, they have sent the code to me on my address. Okay, I'm going to pause, I'm going to look for the address and come back to you. Hold on. All right, so I just copy the code now, right, on my email address. I'm going to go back to this way and then insert it there, paste it there, right? That is it. And then they're going to ask you to put your Google authentication, okay, here.